Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright guys, in this video, I want to be talking about content creation, specifically YouTubing. YouTubing. Many of us go on YouTube to watch tutorials, to watch videos, different videos, just depending on what you're going there for. Now, YouTube is one of the best, if not the best paying platform that pays its content creators. And many of us are actually not taking advantage of this information or of this opportunity. Now, I want to show you guys something. This is my YouTube channel. I have 12,372 subscribers. Now, my videos don't actually get to 1,000 views. This is one of my videos, 170 views. This one 781 views. This one 1,000 views. That's like the highest my videos can get to, like 1,000 views. And I rarely post videos. Like this month, I think this is the only month I have posted like 3 videos in a month. 3 videos. So normally I post like 1 video in 1 month, or at most 2 videos every month. Do you understand? And look at, I just got paid today. As you can see, today 9:37 a.m. 9:37 a.m. This is the latest payment YouTube paid me, which is $186. How much is $186 in naira? Let's see. 186 times 700, because a dollar is 700 naira. That's 130,200. Now this is what YouTube pays me for just posting videos. And guys, guess what? In all my videos, I don't show my face. I just do only screen recording. At least 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I just look for content. I look for topics and I just talk about them at my leisure time, and I post. And this is what YouTube pays me every month. Every month, guys. Now, there are people that post at least 5 videos every week. I've seen content creators that post at least 5 videos every week. Now, I've seen content creators that get paid from YouTube as much as $8,000, $10,000. Let's do a rough calculation. $8,000 times 700. That's 5.6 million naira in a month. God. You see, God. If YouTube can be paying me that just post at least 2-3 videos monthly, this amount, and look at, I still have estimated revenue. I still have 130 coming up this new month. The money is continuous. As long as that video is on YouTube, those videos you've posted in the past will keep on bringing money to you, as long as people keep watching those videos. Imagine me that I'm not even taking YouTube in serious, because I am a Forex trader, full-time Forex trader. So I just do YouTubing as like a side hustle, or just for fun. Many of us are drawn to our devices nowadays. There is nothing you want to do that your device will not take 80 or 90% of your time. Nowadays, probably TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, everything is taking your time. Now, do you know that you can be making money from these things? You can be making money from these things. Now, when you tell people this thing, they will be like, must I do YouTubing? Is it everybody that must do Forex trading? Is it everybody that must do cryptocurrency? And you are right. It's not everybody that must do it. You can be a trader or a doctor or an engineer, and you're making your cool cash. No problem. If that's the kind of person you want to be, or is the kind of person you are, good and fine. You can stick to it. But if you are someone in this present dispensation, see, things are really, really difficult for a whole lot of people, and you can't be. How am I going to put it? Most of the jobs people have nowadays is not enough. Their salary is not even enough. You can actually dive into content creation, guys. Don't say somebody's already doing what I'm doing, guys. If you know the amount of people that are doing what I do, or the type of content I post on YouTube, if you know the type of people, the amount of people that are doing it better than me, sweet studio, powerful lighting, powerful camera, you see their faces, well edited videos, they are there. They are there. But I'm not moved. I'm not moved. If I know my videos are not well edited, my videos are not powerful, no camera, no lighting, nothing. I just do screen recording. Just screen recording, guys. And YouTube can pay me this much. You don't have an excuse. In this present dispensation, you don't have an excuse. Everybody has content. Don't say I don't know what to do. Everybody has content. Just look for something. Just give yourself every week. I want to be posting 1 or 2 videos. If you can talk, use that gift that God has given you. Use it rightly. Start doing something. Start posting. The truth of the matter is, when you start, it's going to be very difficult. You might just have only 1 view or 1 like, 2 likes. I passed through that same line. That same situation rather. I passed through it. So now if you check, let me show you how much YouTube have paid me totally. Check the balance. You just check below this last one. Check the balance. What I see in $2,832. That's what I have. How much is $2,832? I'm supposed to have over $3,000 because at a point I withdrew $500. I withdrew $500 from this account. So but right now I have 2,832. Now let's do the calculation. 2,832 times 700. That's 1.9 million naira. That's what I have lying somewhere. I'm not even touching it. Like I said, I'm a Forex trader, so I trade in the Forex market and I make my money daily. Do you understand? So this one is just side. I've not even touched it. So guys, there's no harm in making money from different sources. There's no harm. Everybody has a gift. God has given everybody gifts. And in this present dispensation, you can actually showcase yourself to the world and make money. I don't know what more to say. Everybody can do content creation. Everybody can do content creation. If your own is relationship, you know how to talk about relationship, be doing such short videos and be posting on YouTube. Nowadays, Facebook even pays. And I hear that TikTok will even start paying Africans, or they've already started. I don't even know. So you mustn't have to do content creation. But I know this message is passed to someone, or you actually meet somebody. If you are there, you've been procrastinating. Oh, I don't know when to start. I don't know how to start. Just start from anywhere. The honest truth is, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult at first, but just keep doing it. You see, your fans or your subscribers will just keep coming. That's just it. Do these videos, do promotional ads on Facebook and Instagram, directing people to your YouTube channel to subscribe. Nowadays, if you watch all these content creators like Sabinus, all these comedians, they will just do short videos and transfer you to YouTube. Why? YouTube pays them. That's why I can confidently tell you that Sabinus, all this Sydney Talker, YouTube alone can give them the lifestyle that they are living right now. Because like I told you, I've seen people that are not even up to Sabinus and they are making over $8,000 monthly, $5,000 monthly, $3,000 monthly. Not to talk about all these guys that have over 1 million views on their videos. I said YouTube can confidently pay them, and they can confidently live any life they want. Buy house in Lekki and all that, just doing YouTubing. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys.